What's the meaning of Bedouin? Bedouin. Bedouin.
Bedouin. Bedouin. The term Bedouin refers to a group of Arab nomads who historically roamed the deserts of the Middle East and North Africa, relying on animal husbandry and trade for their livelihoods. The Bedouin way of life is characterized by its simplicity and self-sufficiency, with a strong emphasis on communal values and hospitality. Despite being traditionally viewed as outsiders by settled societies, the Bedouin have played an important role in shaping the cultural landscape of the region, with their language, music, and customs influencing everything from architecture to literature. In modern times, many Bedouin have settled in urban areas, but their traditional way of life remains an important part of their identity and heritage.